Hi moms and dads and kindergartners. Today I wanted to do a quick video showing how to use Flipgrid. So first, we're going to log in to Schoology like we would. And I'm going to borrow Juniper's login for right now. Okay, so once you're in Schoology, you would go to our class like normal. I'm going to go to today's lessons because I know that we have a Flipgrid in today's. I'm going to view them online in PowerPoint mode. Remember, always click that little box if it doesn't work for you. Okay, so for the purpose of this, I'm going to go straight to the Flipgrid slide, which is the number talk. Right here. And what's really important with this is that when you view the slides, we want to double check that we are in slideshow mode. You can do that by clicking this little box at the bottom here that says slideshow, or if you go to the top of your screen, you can click slideshow and from current slide. So now that I'm in the slide, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right on this box that says Miss Ennis's kindergarten class, and you'll see how it's now hovering with a Flipgrid link. So once I click that, it's going to take me to Flipgrid, and it's going to come up with this purplish blue login screen. You're going to click Login with Microsoft, because if you're already logged into Schoology, then you've already actually used a Microsoft login. So you'll click Login with Microsoft, and that little screen's going to pop up. Just let that load, because it'll eventually say Login successful. Then you'll be brought to our class page. And you'll see us, all of our little kindergartners here, and it'll be labeled with the math talk for today. I have directions there just to record any thoughts they might have. And if you keep scrolling, you'll see the big green, white plus sign. So you'll click that. And now it'll ask you to use your camera and your microphone. You can click allow. And you'll be able to record. Sorry, Miss Ennis is still in her glasses. Let's stop that. You'll just click record. 3, 2, 1. Talk, talk, talk. And then you'll hit next. Talk, talk, talk. And you can edit your video. You can take a selfie if you want. Next. It will load. You can submit your video. I would just leave it with your name and click submit. And now it's on there. And now I can go in and give you feedback. So simple as that. And now we've used Flipgrid. It's really cool because I get to watch the kids, their feedback to the math talk. It's really neat. Thanks for giving it a try.